It's been a while since I last did a video. I've been pondering. I've not been able to get my head around which way I want to do these solar panels. I'm wanting to mount them up here, but I'm not sure whether to do it that way, so it's just a bit more of an angle, so it runs down this way long ways of at top at patio door, or whether to do it widthways, so that'd be at top under window, and then that would be bottom above patio door up here, so it'd be top against here and then bottom down here somewhere. It'd be a bit more of an angle just so I can miss door, so I can still open top window, still open patio doors. But I'm not sure which way to do it, because I need to think about supporting it in winds and stuff like that as well. Obviously I'll be using this Unistrut again to mount it on. I have also got some adjustable brackets as well. The adjustable brackets, they basically sit like that on underside, and obviously this part here mounts against wall, but as you can see, it enables different angles for what I need. I'm going to need some sort of support like this here. This will be Unistrut obviously, but I've just put it up against here just for demonstration purposes. But obviously if I put it long ways, it's going to stick out a lot farther. This angle is going to be a lot bigger, and I've only got up here 1 meter from top to bottom to play with, so that makes this angle here really shallow if I do it that way. Where if I go it other way, I can put that at a bit more of an angle going up, so it gives it a bit more support. But obviously I don't want too much hanging over because of winds and stuff like that. But yeah, that's where I am at the minute. It's a lot of head scratching, and I don't want to just rush into something and do it and then think I wish I'd have done it a different way. I want to make sure that the way I do it's gonna be the way that I'm happy with. I can leave it like that, so I'm gonna do a bit more thinking and number crunching and that before I make a decision, and then I'll be able to get cracked on then.